How to log in or sign up on Reelshort app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log in or sign up on the Reelshort app. The first step is to open the Reelshort app on your device. If you don't have this application, simply head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have installed this, launch the application. Now, if you do not have an account, you can easily sign up in the Reelshort app. For that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, you want to tap on the sign in option. Here, you can sign in using your Facebook account, your Google account, and your TikTok account. Select whichever you prefer. I'm going to select Google account. Now you want to enter the credentials of your Google account. As soon as you enter the credentials, you will be successfully signed up on the Reelshort app. Now, once your account has been created and you want to simply log into your account, you want to follow the same process and tap on the sign in option. Then select the same option that you used to sign up. For example, if you use your Google account to sign up, tap on continue with Google option. Now you can start using your Reelshort app, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.